In this video, we're going to go over the carpet iron. This iron is made specifically for joining carpet seams. The back tip of the base is grooved and angled to comb the adhesive without dragging it off as you move the tool. It weighs just 3 pounds and runs between 22 and 425 degrees. At maximum temperature, it should seam at 3 to 4 feet per minute. This 800-watt tool plugs into a 3-prong outlet. Be careful not to burn yourself on hot surfaces. Don't leave the iron while it's plugged in. Set the temperature at the highest setting until it's fully heated, then adjust the temperature downward to a safe temperature for the carpet you're installing. Be careful not to overheat carpets with synthetic backings or yarns to avoid shrinking or discoloration. Make a test seam first. Place the iron between the carpet edges and on top of the seaming tape. When the adhesive is melted, move the iron to press the carpet backing into the adhesive. Turn the iron off before unplugging it. To avoid burning the cord, let the iron cool down before wrapping it around the handle for storage. At Sunbelt Rentals, we rent the tools and equipment customers need to accomplish anything they want to do. I hope this basic operational guide to our carpet iron has given you all the information you'll need. For further information, please contact us at 1-844-SBR-TOOL. Thanks for watching.